we'll guide you through how to make Gmail in LDPlayer. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your computer desktop screen. Find the LDPlayer shortcut icon on your desktop, then double-click it to launch the emulator. Once the home screen appears, slide your cursor down from the very top of the screen to open the notification panel. After the panel is visible, look toward the bottom right corner and press the gear icon to access the Android settings menu. When the settings page opens, slowly scroll down through the available options until you find the Accounts section. Click on Accounts to display the list of accounts currently connected to the device. Next, locate the option with a plus icon labeled Add Account and click it once to continue. When the Google sign-in page appears, look at the bottom left corner and click Create Account. On the following page, choose the first option labeled for My Personal Use to continue. Enter your preferred first name and last name into the appropriate fields, then click Next. After that, fill in your birthday information, open the gender drop-down menu to select the correct option, and press Next again. You can now choose one of the suggested email templates or select the last option to create your own Gmail address. Type your preferred username into the field provided and click Next to proceed. Create a strong password by entering it into the password field, then press the blue Next button. Input your phone number in the space provided so Google can verify your identity. Then press Next again. Once you receive the verification message, type the 6-digit verification code into the box and click Next. Carefully review your account information one more time before pressing Next. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the privacy terms, click I agree, then wait for the personalization confirmation pop-up to appear. Finally, click Confirm. You will now see your new added Google Mail.